6 a.m. Good morning from New Road. I'm waiting for my sister. A few minutes later, she arrived. And just like that, our adventure officially began. We got the bus.
It's not like we are some great influencers so that we have mass following, so we tend to get limited access. Yeah.
After 1.5 hours, we reached the Vanjyang, the starting point of the Champadevi hike. I was super excited. Walking, after a few minutes, we met other hikers.
So हाम्रो ट्राभलिङ पार्टनरहरू धेरैजना जोडिनु भएको छ। इन्ट्रोडक्सन राउन्ड हो।
मेरो नाम चाहिँ जगतमाला। मेरो नाम चाहिँ पुस्तन प्रदीप श्रेष्ठ।
प्रदीपजी त्यही त
We reached a peaceful path. The path was covered in fallen pine leaves, and I absolutely loved the sound and scent of it all. It felt like walking through a forest dream. At the same time, we met German hiker.
Wow.
So,
Hi.
yes.
Okay,
No, not
thank
so
you.
far.
So where are you from?
Germany.
Used to watch vlogs from Germany and I am aware that they love walking, right?
Okay, okay.
Is that true? I wanted to ask someone if I meet. So today I meet you. So is that true?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Champadevi Hill is a popular hiking destination located southwest of Kathmandu, Nepal, standing at an elevation of about 2,278 meters. It offers stunning panoramic views of Kathmandu Valley, Pharping, and on clear days, even the Himalayas. The trails begins at Vanjyang, passing through pine forests, monastery, and small sirens, eventually reaching a sacred temple dedicated to the goddess Champadevi. It's a perfect one-day hike, combining nature, spirituality, and scenic beauty. We made another hiking group and walked along with them, chatting and enjoying the trail together.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
stopped to rest. While resting, I sat in the hammock and enjoyed a cup of tasty tea, had a friendly conversation with the sub owner, who told us a bit about the area's history.
बाई बाई इन्जोय गर्नु दाइको नम्बर लिएर आए
चिया खायो अब
गाइज हामीले एकदमै मिठो चिया खाइसक्यो अनि आराम गरिसक्यो अब हामी जान्छौँ
हिस्ट्रीको कुराहरू पनि हामीलाई थाहा भयो यो यो चम्पादेवीको डाँडाको बारेमा अब हामी लाग्दैछौँ हामीले त्यहाँ कति 20 मिनट्स स्पेन्ड गऱ्यौँ रमाइलो भयो ल अब हामी अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ रमाइलो भयो यता यता यता
अल द बेस्ट अहिले नै ए उनीहरू चाहिँ अर्कै रुट आएको रहेछ
After a good walk, we finally reached the Champadevi peak, and the rain made the moment even more enjoyable. We rested there for about an hour, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. On the way back down, we saw a small monastery and we stopped over there.
पछाडिको कमाउने धर्म क्या अनि यो भित्र चाहिँ यो यहाँभित्र चाहिँ धेरै कुराहरू चाहिँ यो आफ्नो उहरू राखेको हुन्छ क्या मान्छेले अनि यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ अरे लङ लाइफ क्रिएसन इट मिन्स यसलाई चाहिँ जीवन पनि भन्छ क्या लाइफ पनि भन्छ क्या
कुन उसमा हो
यो बुद्धिज्ममै
हो
बुद्धिज्ममै हो
होइन माथि ताप्लु डाँडा पुग्नु पर्यो
छिटो है सर्टकट छ त्यहाँ बाटो
फर्किँदाखेरि मैले सर्टकट लिएर आएको सर्टकट बाटो लिएर आएको
उहाँहरूलाई 15 मिनट लाग्यो हामीलाई त 1.5 घन्टा लाग्यो त्यति ठाउँ पुग्न ल देखाइसके थ्याङ्क यू फर इन्फर्मेसन
यस्तो चाहिँ किन बनाइदियो भाइ यिनीहरू
यो चाहिँ साइन फर लभ भनेर भन्नु क्या
अब 8 9 भयो
जोडी मिलेर बनाउनु पर्ने एक्लै भयो
मेरो जोडी नै छैन
One last highlight. We met a lovely British couple and walked together back down to Vanjyang. From Vanjyang, we took a taxi back to New Road
Please
and
subscribe
then
our
headed home to wrap up our beautiful day. And a refreshing, joyful day hiking Champadevi, filled with nature, new people, quiet moments, and a bit adventures. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next vlog.